Inauguration of Navi Mumbai International Airport is going to open up many avenues. The Terminal 1, which is going to be soon inaugurated, is just behind us. You can see that this area, which is the new Navi Mumbai International Airport, the terminal and the runway can be seen. And this is going to be a very important airport because first, the property prices are also increasing in the nearby areas with the property rates in Panvel going up to 15,000 per square feet for houses. There will be schools, colleges, hospitals and many other things will be coming up. Aero cities and everything is being planned by the CIDCO, which is the planning authority in this area. At the same time, if you look at this road connectivity, be it MTHL, Ring Road, many other roads connectivity is being given to this airport, so that from Mumbai, from Thane, other parts of Mumbai and Maharashtra, this airport should be accessible because the total number of terminals in this airport, once fully operational, is 4 terminals. There are 2 runways, so there will be a huge traffic which is expected, and hence accordingly the traffic arrangements of the road infrastructure has to be given. Now we'll focus on the terminal as we can see it. So this terminal, if you will see the building which is visible from here, it is a lotus inspired structure, incorporates 12 sculptural features, columns shaped like unfolding of petals. So this is a design which is given. There are many modern techniques which have been given to this airport, and you can say that the transfer of passengers from one terminal to other terminal will be facilitated by the automated people's movers. So there are 4 terminals. If you enter from the wrong terminal, then too going underground using the APM, you can reach to that terminal. So once the current capacity of this terminal, which will be inaugurated soon, which will be 20 million passengers per annum, and the cargo handling capacity of 0.8 million metric tons. But once all the terminals are open, 90 million passengers per annum will be handled, and 3.25 million metric tons of cargo will be handled. So you can imagine the huge amount of infrastructure which is being built. There are solar plants, so that most of the energy needs of this airport is have green energy, and also electric vehicles will be used in the entire transport internally. So it's a big opportunity opening up for Panvel, Navi Mumbai and also Maharashtra. With camera person Sai Prasad Patil in Navi Mumbai, Mustafa Sheikh for India Today.